I'm Diana Ruth Briscoe here with David Quigley with Bridges.Academy. David, can you let us know about the aura and the 7 chakras?
Yes. One of our first classes we're offering in January is work with the 7 chakra system. This particular class will give you the opportunity not only to learn about how the 7 chakras and their closely related 10 sephiroth of the tree of life correspond to the spiritual anatomy of the human body. All this is available in my textbook, The Tree of Life, available free on my Alchemy Institute website. And in this class, you'll learn how to read the auric field and to learn pieces of the aura and how the client's life relates to them. Relationships in their lives, physical pains, or problems with the structure of their body can all be seen through the auric field as a correspondence to their spiritual, mental, and emotional issues. In the Tree of Life class, you'll learn how to read the auric field using a number of spiritual senses and learn how to explore your own internal chakra system. It's a tremendous opportunity to learn about yourself and others and learn how to tune your psychic vision.
I've taken the course and it was so detailed and I learned so much more than I had previously known. And I'm able to utilize that with the clients. So I want to thank you for offering this course. And I'm so looking forward for it to be on Zoom. So nationwide and globally, everyone will be able to join in and have this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.